welcome back to Kirk Kooks and welcome back to TMNT Pizza Wednesday. We are once again cooking another Turtles pizza, and it is once again from the very first episode of the Turtles back from 14th of December 1987, Turtle Tracks. And in this pizza it is whipped cream, just whipped cream on the pizza. So we're going to make a cheese and tomato pizza and just squirt it with whipped cream. I believe the Turtles ordered this pizza in the Ninja Pizzeria. So they actually requested this in a restaurant, so why don't you go to a restaurant and try it, see if they'll give you a whipped cream pizza. Yeah, so we're going to make a cheese and tomato pizza, let it cool down, and then we'll smother it in whipped cream. Then we'll give it a taste. So let's get on with it. Okay, so we've got our dough stretched out. We're going to cover this in just some pizza sauce, a sprinkling of mozzarella, and that's it. Well, obviously now we need to cook this, let it cool down, then we're going to absolutely cover this thing in lots and lots of whipped cream. So let's get outside and get this cooked. Okay, so this is our cheese pizza, which is going to be topped with whipped cream. So we're going to have to let this cool down when it's done, but let's get it in. So that's the cheese pizza for the whipped cream pizza. We'll let this cool down and then we'll smother it in whipped cream. Nice, eh? Whipped cream pizza.
It's a bit of a set.
No.
He's like, where's those anchovies?
Oh, yeah, get down.
Where's those anchovies?
Right, so you want extra whipped cream on this, do you?
Oh,
Hey, why is that coming out faster for you?
You didn't snap it properly.
Alright.
Jesus Christ!
Well, it looks loads better this time. I feel like we need another picture of that now.
You might need some. It looks like one of them cream pies from when you was a kid.
What, pie face?
Yeah, we just want a pie, Jace.
Why do you want a pie?
Carl, while Link cuts this whipped cream pizza, do you want to dish out a napkin to everyone? Because I think
Link's
we're going
got
to
two
need
there.
it.
Link's
Well, I ain't got one.
Who's got you one there?
He's
Give
got
me
two.
one.
He's got two.
Give me one there.
How many
Maybe,
napkins do you
Oh,
want?
sorry, napkin police.
How many napkins do you need?
Yeah.
Right, I mean, I can't see what I'm cutting, but I'm guessing that's cool.
Is it pulled
Do you
apart?
reckon? Do you reckon? I don't think it is.
I don't think you've done it, mate.
You haven't fully gone through with a knife.
Did not commit.
Stick the knife down.
Welcome to Link Cooks. He's not very good at it.
Well, ain't gonna be. Oh, that guy. He's really good at cutting.
You can do tattoos, but you can't cut pizza.
Cannot. It's out of my skill set. That should do it.
You call that knife? Oh, I'm having this one there. Look at this.
Oh, this one that a bit fell off of already.
I'm losing my cream.
I'm gonna seductively.
Look at them blobs.
You gonna what?
Is it a folding situation?
I'm just off.
I think it's just full face in. That's what it is, isn't it? Cheese pizza with cream on.
Basically, yeah.
It's literally just, yeah.
Yeah. It's cheese pizza with cream on.
Don't do it, Jason. Or you, Lincoln.
Right.
It's alright.
It's edible.
I tell you what, it's not as good as the pepperoni and ice cream pizza we had the other week, is it?
No. No. I mean, I can still taste that.
You fucking know better. Turtles actually ordered this one in a pizzeria as well. Going to a restaurant and asked for this. Because they did.
I don't think
on what episode?
I don't think Papa John's would do this.
Can't remember off the top of my head, Cal, but I'll put the episode down here right now.
1 sashimi pizza and 3 whipped cream pizzas. Eat in good health.
Ranger's trying to make it fly.
Listen, what happened?
Rangers here.
I mean, I don't mind this.
It's fine. It's better if you get Big bite of it, I think.
It's edible.
Do a full bite of that. There we go. Yeah, it was good.
It's what it is. It's cheese pizza with cream on.
Yeah. It's exactly what it says on the
Really
tin.
can't complain though, considering what else we've eaten. So
That is another one of those pizzas that isn't that terrible. You won't choose to eat it optionally, but it's edible. And that's about all we can say about it, isn't it, really?
Just a cheese pizza with cream on.
Anyone got anything to add?
I think whipped cream goes with most things, so...
I think more cream.
More cream. Just wanted more
Just-
cream.
Jason obviously likes putting whipped cream on things.
Yeah. Has to be double though, proper double whipped.
Right, okay guys, we'll catch you next time. This is once again Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams. Anchovies and bananas.